Hello friends, welcome to Doubt Forum. This question is NaCl molecule is bound due to electric force between the sodium and the chlorine ions when one electron of sodium is transferred to chlorine. Taking the separation between the ions to be 2.75 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, we are asked to find the force of attraction between them and also state the assumptions, if any, that you have made. So here in this question, this NaCl molecule is being splitted into Na plus and Cl minus, and this has happened because one electron of Na has been transferred to this chlorine. So the net charge on this Na positive would be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And the net charge on the chlorine ion would be minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The separation between this Na positive and Cl minus ion is also given to us, and it is R. Its value is 2.75 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. We can convert this value into meter, so this would become 2.75 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. In the question, we are asked to find the force of attraction between Na positive and Cl minus. For that, we will apply the Coulomb's law. And Coulomb's law, F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1, that is the charge on the first particle, into Q2, that is the charge on the second particle, whole divided by square of the distance between them. Because this Coulomb law is applicable for point charges, so before we apply this law for Na positive and Cl minus, we have to assume one thing, that the size of this Na positive and Cl minus is very less as compared to the distance between them. Then only we can apply this law, because this law is applicable for point charges. So we have to assume that Na positive and Cl minus here are the point charges, and the point charges mean that the distance between these two ions are very high as compared to their sizes. So after assuming that thing, let's apply this law. The value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Because the magnitude of Q1 and Q2 is same, so we are just taking the square here, divided by square of the distance, and the distance is 2.75 into 10 to the power minus 10 and its whole square. Now after calculating all this, we will find the force of attraction between Na positive and Cl minus as 3.05 into 10 to the power minus 9, and the unit is in Newton. So thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Doubt Forum. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.